Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to film this video for you guys because if you didn't know, I moved from Massachusetts to South Florida and this has been such a big and exciting change. But what comes with a big and exciting change is big things to shop for, and I had to shop for a couch because this is my first apartment. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys all about the couch that's behind me. This is a amazing couch that I got from a company actually located in South Florida. I'm so excited to share with you guys my thoughts. I've had the couch for a little over a week now, and I'm going to tell you guys everything from the delivery process, the customer service, the quality of the couch, washing it, etc. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video at the end, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let's hop in. This couch is from Gelli Furniture, which is actually a local business in South Florida. Just to give you guys some insight on myself, I am a very I need to read reviews, I need to watch videos before I make a big purchase, and obviously buying a couch is a big purchase. And about a month before I moved into this place, I immediately started looking for couches. You obviously want something that you feel good on, and this is where I spend a lot of my time, is sitting on the couch. And when you have guests over, this is where you spend your time. I had been searching for a couch for about a month and I was literally afraid I wasn't gonna find something. And I ended up finding Gelli Furniture only a few days before I moved in, and I am so happy I did. Since I moved in from Massachusetts, I wanted a couch immediately, and I know in this business, especially with couches, they can take upwards of 3 weeks to a month and a half to even get to your place. And I couldn't have that because I work from home and I'm here alone, I'm living alone, and I needed a couch to lounge around in and just make this place feel more like home. I ended up finding a Gelli Furniture and they were absolutely amazing. They're like, oh yeah, we can have your couch delivered in less than 48 hours. This to me was so exciting because I literally got my couch the day that I moved into this apartment. This couch showed up before my movers even showed up with the rest of my furniture. The customer service was absolutely amazing and the delivery was seamless. I'm gonna insert a few clips for you guys of the delivery process, but their team is so nice, so wonderful. They keep everything clean. They took their trash with them, which was a win. It was so nice. And they unwrapped it and we did a big reveal. I was so excited to see it in person. I ended up going with the 4-piece modular sectional. This couch is massive and it fits this space so nicely. It's a lot bigger than what I expected, but I'm so happy because I've seen a lot of reviews of other companies of people going with couches and being like, this is the smallest couch ever. This couch I can fit a good amount of people on. There is so much space, and because this is a 4-piece set, it does come with an ottoman, which I loved because I love the look of an ottoman, and since it's modular, you can move around the pieces. I'll show you guys a clip of how I have it set up right now. I really like the ottoman towards my patio window just to really open up the space. When I was videotaping the process of them delivering and revealing each piece, I was getting so excited. I'm this is exactly what was on my Pinterest board, and now it's in my own apartment. Next, I want to talk comfort and the fabric of this couch. Like I said, if I didn't already give it away, this couch is extremely comfortable. It definitely fits the cloud couch description. You sink right in, but not too deep. It's definitely firm enough for you to have a good amount of cushion. I have laid on this couch in every way you can imagine. I've been playing my Nintendo Switch. I've laid this way. My mom actually slept on this couch for a few nights when they were first helping me move in, and she's like, that was the best sleep I ever had. It's so cozy. I can work from this couch, and all of the pillows are detached and removable, which I really love because you can just fluff them right up at any time. I have this routine where in the morning I'll come out here and just fluff each pillow just to make it look a little bit more cloud-like, because obviously you do sink in, but there's no noticeable cave marks, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of the fabric. I love this. It's almost like an off-white material, which I was really happy with the color because I feel like a very white couch looks like it gets dirty a lot faster. And since the walls are white in my room, it kind of breaks it up. As you can see, like it's not stark white, but keeping things white and keeping things clean is also so easy because every single pillow, every single cushion has a removable cover. I'm taking the one that's right behind me to show you guys. It's honestly like a seamless design because you would not be able to tell that you could zip these off. There is a little zipper in there so you can take off all of these covers and throw them in the wash. I don't have any pets yet. I know that's a big thing with pet owners, like washing your cushions and washing your pillows frequently, and this couch is perfect for that. Buying a couch is a big purchase, and I definitely knew I was going to invest money in my couch, and knowing that this couch is this big, this comfortable, and has all of the qualities that I was looking for, I was so pleased with the price. This couch in particular goes for $29.50, and I think that is such a reasonable price, especially because their local delivery and the quality is amazing. I mean, just the whole experience and the team overall has been amazing. Couch is an investment, and this is a couch that I know I'll have with me for years to come. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed this cloud couch review, definitely give it a thumbs up, and shout out to Gelli Furniture for such an amazing piece. I am so beyond excited about this. Everyone who walks through my door, everyone that I FaceTime is like, let me see the couch. It is such an exciting thing for me to have this couch and literally be like living my Pinterest dreams. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you in my next moving video. Bye.